1, 2, 3.
In Fresno, community members stepped up on a Saturday morning to help beautify their city. Volunteers, including children and families, took the morning to plant trees steps away from the high-speed rail line.
Today we're planting about 135 trees as part of a full project of 361 trees at Green Valley Recycling in Southwest Fresno.
As part of our urban forestry program, more than 6,000 trees are slated to be planted to help reduce greenhouse gas emissions.
This project wouldn't be possible if we didn't have the partnership with High Speed Rail. Tree Fresno has received a grant 4 years ago from High Speed Rail for $1 million to plant trees. And this is part of a total of 3,000 trees that we have planted in Fresno, Madera, Kings, and Tulare counties. So this is our last big project of 361 trees.
It's a part of honoring our commitment to deliver the greenest infrastructure project in the entire nation.